Hello everyone! So, by the way, I am Wendy Limpi Recommendation, a BSS Social Studies 3 students. So, I will be going to discuss what are the variety of assessment methods, tools, and tasks in assessing students' learning outcomes. So, let's define first what is assessment methods. So, when we say assessment methods, these are the strategies, techniques, tools, and instruments for collecting information to determine the extent to which the students demonstrate desired learning outcomes. So, there are two classification of assessment methods. So, we have traditional assessment and the authentic assessment. So, what are those two? So, when we say traditional assessment, these are the assessment are mostly test taken with a paper and pencil. So these are usually true or false, matching or multiple choice. So this assessment are easy to grade, but only test isolated applications, facts, or memorize data or lower level thinking skills for the students. So what are the examples of traditional assessment? So just like what I've said, multiple choice questions, fill in the blanks, true or false, matchings, and essay. So these are the examples of traditional assessments in the ways of assessing students. So let's know now what is the importance or the purpose of this assessment. So traditional assessment methods, the purpose of this is most frequently used to evaluate the students, rank them, and assign a final grade. Traditional assessment generally involves the use of tests, the quizzes, or the homework as the means for the evaluation. So now let's proceed to the authentic assessment. Authentic assessment, it is a course evaluation method where the students apply their knowledge to the unique real world life context or the situation. So according to John Moyler, the author of a freely available online text Authentic Assessment, it describes that it is the form of assessment in which the students are asked to perform in-word tasks that demonstrate a meaningful application of essential knowledge and skills. So alternative assessment, it is often called as the authentic assessment or comprehensive or performance assessment. It is usually designed by the teacher to gauge students' understanding of a material. So what are the examples of authentic assessment? Examples of these measurements are often usually questions and presentations, oral presentations, project experiment, and portfolios of the students' work, alternative assessment, and design, so that the content of assessment matches the content of the instruction. So the authentic assessment is the idea of using a creative learning experiences to test the students' skills and knowledge in realistic situation. So here are the examples of authentic assessment. We can conclude many of the following. We have observation, essays, interviews, performance tests, exhibition and demonstration, portfolios, journals, teacher-created tests, rubrics, and self-peer evaluation are examples of authentic assessment. In traditional tests have right or wrong answers. So in the authentic assessment naman have varying solution based on how the students comes to interpret and solve the challenge, problem, or task. So the authentic assessment can create for many subject matter. So that's the clue here. When we say traditional, always remember the traditional assessment tools require learners to display their knowledge in a predetermined way. So in alternative assessment, it focuses on hacks, the higher order thinking skills for the students. They have the opportunity to demonstrate what they learn. So there are more examples of the assessment methods will be found for the next video or for the next reporter. So thank you for watching.